Hey man, hey YouTube. Just gonna quickly show you on the old model hires. This sort of hires between 1998 fuel injector, from that to maybe 2004. So this car, this is what it was giving me. Um, I try a stop on the highway. I turned the car off. I wanted to put my GPS on. Suddenly stop working. It will not crunch. It will not start. Nothing was coming. So basically, I try everything. I try the starter motor, and I try a starter motor. I try alternator. Everything looks fine. So I try to look into and I try to look into the starter relay. The starter relay look like this. It's quite different to normal starter relay that you will have instructions with numbers and stuff like that, which make it a little bit tricky to start. So basically what I have to do, I have to keep trying all the four pins to see which one the light power come in and out. So I eventually found it, and I'm going to show you how you can start it when you got stuck somewhere on a highway and you find out that everything else is okay, but the car is not starting. This car, when I push it, it will start, but when I try to start it by key, it won't start. So I'm going to quickly show you this. If you got stuck somewhere, you can use that trick to start it. So first and first, you need to take the starter relay out, which is that one there, and get a wire, bend it like that, and then hopefully try to put this one in one of those pins, and I'll show you how. So basically, if you want this process to work, first and first, what you need to do, you need to poke the ignition in on start mode, and then try to put this one in. So I believe this is number 87 and this is 30, because I tried the other two pins, it won't work, but these two look like that's number 87 and that's number 30. So once I try to do this, it will crunch and start straight. Look at that. See? Start one time. So when you got stuck somewhere, that's the way to go. Remember that. That's the pin right here.